What's up everybody, it's Kurt here and I'm back with another maths video. And in this video, we'll be looking at yet another addition technique, another way to add, and we're still focusing on 3-digit numbers. And this method is called the vertical column method, okay? So, let's work. So just a reminder, if you haven't watched the previous videos in the series, then I seriously suggest that you watch it before you watch this video, because it might help you really understand what we're doing much better and even help you understand how we got to this point. But for now, let's dig in. The question we'll be looking at is 124 plus 232. So let's write down our question. And we want to know what that is equal to. So there's one thing that you have to note. In the last video, we looked at the expanded vertical column method. And in this video, we're looking at the vertical column method. And what falls away? If you look at the names, the two different names of the methods, it's the word expanded. Now, when we expanded a number, this is what we done. We had 124 and we wrote it as 100 plus 20 plus 4. So you see, if you look at the number 124 on the left over there, it's a single number. And when we expand it, it becomes 3 numbers, which we then add to give us 124. So in the vertical column method, we won't be expanding the number and we will be adding the single numbers in our question, which is 124 plus 232. So let's do that. So now we're going to write our numbers in the question one above the other, right? To create the columns. So we have 124 plus 232, and we're adding, right? And you can still see that it's written in its place values. On the right here, we have the units. In the middle, we have the tens, and on the left, we have the hundreds. Now, in the same way that we added from right to left when we looked at the expanded vertical column method, we are going to do that in the vertical column method. So we're first going to add the units, then we're going to add the tens, and then we're going to add the hundreds. Okay, so let's add the units. We have 4 plus 2. And remember, that's 4 units plus 2 units, and 4 plus 2 will give us 6. There we go. Now we're going to move over to the tens column, right? And remember, the 2 and the 3 in the tens column, it's not a 2 and a 3. That 2 represents 2 groups of 10, which is 20, and the 3 represents 3 groups of 10, which is 30. And 20 plus 30 will give us 50. So we know that 5 is a 50. It's not just a 5 because it's in the tens place. Now let's move over to the hundreds column, okay? And again, the 1 and the 2 in the hundreds column represents hundreds, groups of hundreds. So it's 100 plus 200 will give us 300. And that's it. There we go. Our answer to this question is 356. And we tackle this question using the vertical column method. But not so fast. Now it's time for you to tackle your own question and then to check if you got it right. So the question that you're going to tackle is 713 plus 185. So pause the video right now, do the question, and I'll see you now. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you got the question correct. But if not, remember, mistakes are great because it helps us to see and know what we don't understand. And if you didn't get it right, tackle the question again. Take your textbook, speak to your teacher, and keep practicing and keep pushing. But remember, if you don't want to miss out on any of these videos, then please hit that share and subscribe button. But for now, stay safe, stay lekker, and do the maths.